Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean the headband mesh on your AirPod Max headphones. So take a mental note. You can see how dirty this is. First step, we're going to pop off the cups, put them into cargo mode. We're going to use a thin pin like this, find the hole located, push down, pop it off, set that aside. Go ahead and do the same on the opposite side. Once we got them in cargo mode and we just got the headband, we're gonna grab this handy dandy bin, and in here we have the headband mesh cleaning solution, which this will be available on our website, as well as this toothbrush that we use specifically for this. The links will be in the description. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, pop this baby open, and we wanna go ahead and just draw some lines, get some of that liquid on there. We're gonna go ahead, get some on the toothbrush as well, and go ahead and start scrubbing like your mother taught you. Make sure you get all the crevasses. And why I did this in a bin is because there's a little bit of liquid that pools up at the bottom. You can kind of use the toothbrush to pick it up. And this isn't just a regular toothbrush. This is like a one specifically for cleaning. So go ahead and just kind of brush the whole entire headband cushion until it foams up like so. What you want to avoid doing is getting these connector points wet. Once we got that side all done, go ahead, flip her over and do the opposite side. Alrighty, so once it kind of looks like paste, as it would if you were to brush your teeth, we're gonna go ahead, just set it down in the bin, and we're gonna let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so it's been about 10-20 minutes. So after you waited, go ahead and pull the headband and your handy dandy toothbrush out of the bin. You could set that aside. And then what I got here is a bin with some warm water. You want to make sure that it's warm. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just give the headband a bath. And while it's in there, go ahead and just kind of, give it a little love scrub, just to kind of get the chemical solution off of it. And I could just tell already off the rip that it's significantly cleaner than when we first started. This is just to kind of get the grime that was left. Anyways, once we've done that, go ahead, set this aside, and you could grab any kind of blower, a hairdryer, anything, and just blast it, get the water out of here. And that is how you clean your headband cushion. As you can tell, it's significantly wider than what it previously was. It does look like there's a little bit of yellowing in the crevasses, but what you can do is you could repeat the same steps as I did the first time. Just add solution on the outsides, give it a scrub, wait 10 to 20 minutes, and then just give it a nice bath and dry it off, and you should be good. So once all this is done, we're gonna go ahead and pop this onto. Make sure that you clean these points off, that they're not wet. We're gonna go ahead and assemble it like so onto our cups, get them out of cargo mode so that we could start rocking the music. And that is how you clean the headband cushion on your AirPod Max headphones.